In this video, I show you how to fix we could not sign you in. Try updating the app problem on YouTube. For fixing this problem, just go to Play Store, search YouTube, just update your app. Now open YouTube app and try to sign in. Now I hope that this method working for you. If this method not working, then go to second method, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, search YouTube, click on YouTube, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix we could not sign you in. Try updating the app problem YouTube app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.